Hello and welcome to RatGate. Today we're going to demonstrate how simple it is to install our products. But before you order our products, it's important that you order the correct size. If you're uncertain, you may want to take professional advice. The RatGate products come in 3 different sizes: 4-inch, 6-inch and 9-inch. We also offer an installation pole which extends to 2 meters, with attachments for 4-inch and 6-inch. The RatGate product is unique. It allows you to open the flap from the top of the manhole. This is very important should you wish to do any rodding or camera investigation at a later date. It saves you from taking the RatGate out completely. Inside each RatGate box you will find the accessories for the installation: cable ties, disposable gloves, an information tag, a raw plug with screw and washer, and instructions. The only tools required for installation is a masonry drill and a Phillips screwdriver. Today we're going to demonstrate how to fit the 4-inch RatGate manually upstream. Take the cable tie, attach it to the rear of the gate, tightening it. This will reduce the diameter of the gate. Then take the safety cable and thread it through the front of the gate. This is attached to the top of the manhole. If you wish to fit the gate downstream, it's the opposite eye. Once the gate is in position, cut the cable tie. The gate then will expand into the drain and fit firmly. Once the RatGate is in position, drill a hole to the top of the manhole. Take the safety cable and the information tag and install it to the side of the manhole. It's important that the information tag is installed because it informs anybody that there is a RatGate fitted in the chamber should the chamber fill. As you can see, when the RatGate is fitted, the water flows freely. If you require access into the drain, simply lift the cable which will open the gate. When using the installation pole, take the attachment and fit it to the pole itself. This is on a bayonet fix. These 2 springs here allow you to fit it in. Take the cable and thread the cable through the eye at the front of the gate. Then take the gate itself, placing it in position into the jaws of the pole. Then tighten the pole clockwise. This is now squeezing the gate and reducing the size of it, allowing you to fit it into the pipe. Once the RatGate is in position, turn the installation pole anti-clockwise. This will allow the RatGate to expand. Thank you for looking at our video today. Should you require any further information, please feel free to look at our website.